Solidity smart contracts can actually have default functions. So those will be functions that are executed when no other function signatures matches the data sent to the contract. You don't have to add this logic, but sometimes it can be useful. For that, there are two special functions you can define in your contract: receive and fallback. Receive always has to be a payable function, and the code you write in here will be executed whenever someone sends ether to the contract address without any data. So basically, just like we previously sent ether to normal addresses, externally owned accounts, in short EOAs. If you add this to your code, people can send ether to the contract as if it was a normal address. And then you also have a fallback function, which could be payable but doesn't have to be. This is a function that is executed whenever someone sends anything to the contract that doesn't match any existing functionality. So that usually means sending data which has a function selector that the contract doesn't know. This is a more advanced use case though, which is, for example, needed for upgradable proxy contracts. So in our lottery contract, we could just add these two functions here and call inside our play game. Of course, we have to change the play game from external to public as well. And it might just be enough having only the receive function here. Allowing anyone to send random data to play the game with the fallback function here doesn't seem very useful to me, but hey, maybe that's what you want for some reason.